Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through fixing Twitch ads not playing so your stream and viewers experience everything properly. First, refresh the Twitch page or restart the app to rule out temporary glitches. Next, check your ad preferences in the Creator dashboard and make sure ad breaks are enabled for your channel. Verify your streaming software and browser aren't blocking ads with extensions like ad blockers or VPNs. If you're using custom overlays or browser sources, make sure they aren't interfering with ad playback. Also, confirm your account is in good standing because violations can affect ad availability. Clear your browser cache or app data to remove corrupted files. Finally, test a short ad break or stream preview to confirm ads are working. These steps usually fix ad issues and ensure Twitch ads play correctly for you and your viewers. Subscribe the channel for more videos.